What's up, guys? Welcome to another unboxing episode. This is Toy Friendly Unbox. Now, if you're a fan of super robots, particularly with the Get the Robo universe, such as myself, you are going to be so happy because we are going to be featuring Ryoma Nagare from CCS Toys. But this is the first time I've encountered CCS Toys, our favorite brand, producing and releasing a pilot of Getter 1, in particular with the Getter Robo Armageddon OVA, and this is the Ryoma Nagare version that is included in that particular OVA or original video animation from Bandai and Toei, if I am not mistaken. So this is the first time we're going to be unboxing a pilot action figure from the Super Robot series. And this is one of my favorite OVAs of all time, and because it's a Get Robo and part of the Get Robo universe. This is going to be awesome unboxing. So before anything else, please do like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And we're also on Facebook. Please do visit our page www.facebook.com/toyfriendly, and also we are on Shopee, so please visit our store there. We have lots of promos and discounts for all the toys that we sell, so I'll see you there. So without any further ado, here we go.
Barely making a sound, then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free.
Hello guys, so we're back, and we're excited that we're going to be featuring this. Actually, we've been waiting for this figure for such a long time. This is the Ryoma Nagare fig script action figure from CCS Toys. So normally, in-release lang ng CCS Toys yung mga feature natin na super robots, mga bakal, di ba? Pero this time, nag-release sila ng action figure, and of course, related pa rin sa super robots because Ryoma Nagare, if you're not familiar with him, he's the legendary pilot of Getter 1. And itong look na to, itong overall look na bubuksan natin is yung version ni Ryoma Nagare na nasa Get Robo Armageddon, yung OVA na napaka-astig. The most awesome OVA, modern OVA of course Get Robo and Get Robo universe. Yun, maraming fans talaga yan ng Get Robo, kaya maraming nag-spawn na miniseries and original video animation and stuff like that. So, ito, bubuksan natin. Sa box pa lang, putya, astig na astig na. Tignan nyo naman. Tignan nyo, may itsura. Gold stamped yung name niya. And embossed din. Iba yung pagkakaprint ng itsura niya dito. So, nakakita nyo, yan. Ano yan? Ito yung nagpapaanga sa kanya. Yung scarf na yun. So, original CCS Toys item or figure. So, dito yung original logo ng Get Robo Armageddon na OVA. One of our favorite OVAs related to Get Robo in the Get Robo universe. So, if you haven't seen it, I suggest panoorin yan. So, sobrang astig din. So, ito yun. And then, ito yung side. Pakita nyo, may picture pa rin nung action figure. The actual action figure. Tapos, ang ganda rin ng touch dito na gold stamp. Yung gold stamping sa taas. Ganda. So, yung name niya, Ryoma Nagare. So, at the back, we have various poses of the action figure. So, nandito pala, makikita mo, dami niya accessories. Maraming baril, no? So, parang fugitive look ni Ryoma Nagare ito eh. Pag pinanood nyo yung, yung OVA, malalaman nyo, maintindihan nyo ba't ganito yung itsura nyo. So, maraming nangyari kasi dun sa OVA nila. I don't wanna spoil it for you guys. Maganda kasi yung panoorin nyo mismo. So, ito, nabubuksan siya. Makita natin, may sneak peek na tayo kaagad sa inside. So, for this flap, the left side, nakita niya na itsura niya and nakita niya daming faces, expression. And then, yun, maraming baril. Iba-ibang klase. And of course, yung hands, different types of alternate hands din. Ang dami niya accessories. Kaya yan, pag sinilip natin sa loob, nakita niyo yung itsura niya. So, 1:12 to, no? Na figure. Na scale. Yun. Okay guys, so buksan natin to para mapinta na natin yung loob mismo, ha? Okay, stay tuned. So guys, pagkabukas natin ng box, ito yung makikita natin. Meron siyang instruction booklet kung paano yung mga adjustments or assembly ng parts, especially with the faces. Yan, yung alternate face, yung head, and the weaponry. Yan, may mga instructions dyan. Mukhang malinaw naman. May base siyang kasama, based on these illustrations. Meron siya kasama base, which is good para stable yung yung figure pag tinayo natin. Yan, fixed script. Yun, may rundown of the different types of accessories na included. Galing. Ayan. Yan siya. Tapos, then we are treated with this coat na yung overcoat niya na brown. Ito kasama. Hiwalay siya ng plastic. Galing. Yung mga rips. Mamaya makita natin lahat. So, yung figure, 3 layers yung binigay nila. So, last layer is yung base, accessories yung second, and then yung actual figure ni Ryoma Nagare. Yeah. So, yun. Buksan natin isa-isa and assemble natin yung mga gawa natin dito sa figure na to kasi excited pa rin tayo makita yung itsura niya close and assembled. Okay. So guys, ito binuksan na natin yung first level. And ito na nga yung action figure niya. Ang lupit ng itsura. Mukha na dito. Ang galing. Kamukha talaga dito sa OVA. Dito sa anime. And naka siya, cloth. Nakita may cloth. And naka-maong. Naka-jeans. Highly detailed talaga itong figure na ito. Ito niya yung sapatos. And naka siya. Chain belt. Yun naman talaga yung look na. Tapos, mararamdaman nyo na articulated siya. Marami siyang articulation. Wrap pa yung hands niya. Ganyan talaga din sa anime. Maganda rito yan. Classic Go Nagai Ken Ishikawa look. Yung mukha. So, tignan pa natin yung ibang accessories para maano na natin siya. Ma-assemble natin din sa desired look natin for Ryoma Nagare. Dito naman guys, makikita niyo yung mga sari-sari accessories na head, alternate heads, explosion ng gun, and then may chains, grenades, rocket launcher, dami baril, dami baril. Ito yung mga alternate hands niya. So, hindi ko na isa-isa yan. Mamimili na lang tayo ng i-attach yung sa tingin ko magandang look. And yung sample na natin yung mukha din. Kasi iba dito, talagang intense yun. Sa ito, yung naka-cover yung face, yung pinakamaangas. Eto guys, binuo ko na yung pinaka-astig na magagawa kong look niya. So sa tingin ko ito yung pinaka-wild. Tingnan mo yung ginamit ko na facial expression, pinaka-wild. Ayan, nakanganga. Yan yung pinaka-wild. Now, observation ko dito, ang hirap kabit nitong medyo may difficulty kayong ma-encounter sa pagkabit nitong holster. Itong body holster niya, yan. So, kailangan medyo imaginative kayo kung paano nyo i-bend yung in such a way na hindi siya masisira, dapat medyo creative yung way ng pag-bend nyo nitong limbs niya, yung upper arms niya, arms wala. So pag binend nyo in such a way na hindi masisira yung mga yung plastic parts. Also ma-observe nyo na ito yung may hila yung cloth parts niya, so ingatan nyo lang din, lalo na itong maong nahihila yung top part, so ingat lang din. Pero ang ganda, astig, di ba? Tignan nyo, ginamit ko lahat as much as possible yung accessories na barrel. Yan, nilagay ko dun sa holster yung dalawa, yung magnum tsaka yung revolver. Tapos pinahawa ko sa kanya tong to medyo may pagka deboga barrel. Galing pati yung maong astig siya. So gagamitin ko pa sana itong isang ulo, pero siguro next time na natin siguro mamaya try natin ikabit itong yung naka-cover na face. Pero dito kasi naastigan na ako sa mukha, expression wild. Pwede rin naman, testingin natin naman. Tapos ito yung meron siya nitong barrel na disabog. Ang maganda dito, tignan nyo guys, nalalagyan siya ng bala. Ayan, tapos tignan natin, tapos natitira siya talaga. So lalagyan natin siya nitong bala ng malaki kung makuha ko. Ayan, medyo sungkitin natin. Yun. Sungkitin natin yan. Tapos ang gagawin mo, lalagay mo, di ba? Lagay mo dito. Lalagay mo raw dito. Bahala. Yan, ganyan. Yan ba? And then ibo-button mo. Hindi wala. Yun, siguro dapat yun, kita niya. Huwag niya na lang gawin, mawala pa tong lakas din ang lakas din ng tira niya. So yun guys, yun yung function niya. So workable weapon. And hindi mo natin, initabi mo natin siya dyan. So meron din mga grenades, hindi natin magagamit yan. So yan yung look niya na gusto ko. Hindi ko alam kung nakakabit ko pa yung coat Siguro try natin. Pero yun, tingnan natin kung paano natin. Ang hirap kabit pag may arms So yun, try natin yung may coat naman. Okay, pero ito pala astig na. Yeah, diba? So ito na guys, kinabit ko na yung coat. Yan, mas astig nga. Tapos meron pa siyang mga wiring para ma-forma mo yung coat. Meron siyang mga wiring sa seams para ma-forma mo ng wind blown yung coat. Yan. So kinabit ko na yung dalawang chains. Mas madaling kabit yung coat. It's easier for you to put on the coat
on the figure. As compared to the holsters, mas mahirap yung sa holsters. Pero yung coat, sandali lang. Mabilis lang. Eh yun nga, pwede mo siya iporma ng ano, as you desire. So, yan. Astig. Gusto pa ba makita yung ano? Itong head. Mamaya kabit natin to. Tingnan natin yung ano. Yung itsura rin niya. Kasi astig din to eh. Naka-cover yung ano, yung face na. Pero ito, sold na ako dito eh. Sa ano. Medyo crazy look. Yan. Try natin in a while. Ito lang yung maong. Ingatan nyo lang, nauhubo eh. Pero okay din. Okay yung texture niya. Maganda. Maganda tong figure na to. Sobrang premium din. Porket 1:12. Sana mayroon silang 1:6 nito. So maganda siguro. Kita-kita yung ano, itsura niya. And madali siguro i-post. Ito medyo may pagka-fragile din. Pero ano, maganda. Sobrang astig nito. It's badass. It's a badass figure coming from CCS Toys. I'm loving this one. Especially if you're a fan of Getter Robo and the character Ryoma Nagare. And this version from the Getter Robo Armageddon OVA. This one rocks. So try natin yung isang ulo. Yung ito. Try natin kung ano yung magiging look. So guys, ito na yung may alternate head niya yung naka-cover yung face. Astig din, no? Diba? Galing, no? Para siya si Grifter, diba? Sa DC Wildstorm Universe. Wildcats. Yeah, shout out sa mga comic book lovers dyan. Pero sa tingin ko mas okay itong wild expression. Mas gusto ko ito. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo ito. Pero astig, di ba? Yan. Astig siya. Pero gusto kong makita expression talaga na Ryoma na crazy, insane, wild Ryoma. Ayun. Ang galing, guys. Very nice. Ayun. Bili kayo nito. Especially if you're a fan of Getter Robo and the Getter Robo universe. Definitely, you have to get this one as part of your collection. Hindi pa natin na-explore yung ano, yung base niya. So, mamaya kakabit natin. Pero palitan na natin itong ulo. Mas gusto ko nga itong isa. So, okay ito sa akin. So, eto na guys yung final form. Patalon, di ba? Up in the air, tapos sabay bumabaril. Yan. Wild the wild. Ryoma Nagare from CCS Toys. Astig guys. Ito yung matagal na natin inaantay. Tapos ito yung base niya. Tignan nyo. May logo pa rin. Getter Robo Armageddon signage. Ayan. Astig, diba? This is so awesome. Get it while you can if you're a fan of Super Robots and Getter Robo and the Getter Robo universe. Definitely this one that you would like to include in your collection. Definitely bang for the buck. Ayan, accessories and stuff. And matibay-tibay din naman siya. Maganda yung mga articulation niya. And wild yung expression niya dito. Kung sa mga nakapanood ng OVA or the OVA, Getter Robo Armageddon, makaka-relate kayo dito sa figure na to. Definitely a must-have for your collection. So that's it guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of Ryoma Nagare from CCS Toys. Sana mas marami pa silang gawing action figure based on Super Robots and anime. Kasi ang galing yung astig. Astig siya talaga. And there you have it. Cue for montage.
Making a sound, then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire. deep in my heart. I'm breaking free, no longer restrained. In your light I found my name. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. All my secrets laid bare, no longer locked. With you I'm flying high, breaking the clocks. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. We're chasing dreams hand in hand. Through every storm we'll make our stand.
And there you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of Ryoma Nagare from CCS Toys. Yung main pilot ng Getter Robo 1, and the look that he had from the Getter Robo Armageddon anime series. And yeah, this for all you Getter Robo fans out there. This is a must-have for your collection. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also, if you want toys like these, please do visit our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. And we're also on Shopee, so if you want to get the good bargains, please do visit our Shopee store. Just type in Toy Friendly. And again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.